VUZETA presents for the first time in the world the technology that produces energy, eliminates waste with a positive environmental impact. From organic waste to the production of energy without burning with a virtuous environmental impact. VUZETA 100 solves three problems with a single system. More energy, less waste, zero pollution. More energy, less waste, zero pollution. This is the VUZETA formula. VUZETA is able to convert waste to energy while respecting the environment thanks to the unique process of catalytic molecular rearrangement. Established in the 30s and further implemented by a group of Italian researchers in cooperation with the Department of Organic Chemistry at the University of Pavia and industrialized by a group of businessmen from Brescia. The production cycle. Waste plus energy equals zero pollution. As you can see in this animation, the organic material goes into the plant where it is finely ground before being used to feed the reactor in which the catalytic reaction that produces the synthetic ecofuel that is solid and gaseous, inert waste, salts, and gaseous emissions takes place. VUZETA technology is able to convert into energy a wide range of waste, organic materials and wastes, non-recoverable plastics, RDF, the dry part of municipal wastes, the organic fraction of solid urban waste, car fluff, exhausted mineral and vegetable non-recoverable oils, agrozootechnical organic residues, pet slurry, non-food biomass, industrial and organic sewage sludge. The VUZETA production cycle starts with the selection and waste pre-treatment. The material must first be crushed, purified of metals, sands, glass and other inert material, and brought to humidity levels that should be as low as possible. The material treated in this way is then placed in the preheating tank to feed the heart of the production process. The catalytic molecular restructuring of materials takes place inside through friction heating to about 350 degrees in the presence of a catalyst. This produces a synthetic liquid and gaseous ecofuel, which can be used for the production of both electricity and/or automotive fuel. Its efficiency is around 5 kilowatts per litre of synthetic ecofuel produced. The process of catalytic restructuring forms short-chain hydrocarbons, typically methane, ethane, propane and butane pentane. These represent the non-condensing fraction of the distillation. These gases may be sent to a gas engine for the generation of electricity and heat. The molecular restructuring has, as a byproduct, water and solid inert wastes, mainly salts, which are effectively separated by the VUZETA technology and may be recovered in accordance with environmental protection regulations. The entire system is automated and self-regulating. The main product of the VUZETA technology is a synthetic liquid ecofuel that has an average density of about 0.85 kilos per litre. The VUZETA plant is able to directly transform the liquid it produces into electricity when connected to a generator, or it can be used as an ecofuel. The distillation column produces both a heavy liquid synthetic fuel and a lighter fuel. The heavier fuel is cooled in a condenser and sent to the storage tank. The lighter fuel is extracted from the head of the column and partially backflowed. The solid inert residuals of the process, the leftover salts, are sent to an evaporator to remove any oil present, and this leaves behind an inert sand. The liquid part is recirculated in the process, while the solid portion is sent to quality control for disposal and recovery. The gases produced by the system are made up of non-condensable eco-fuels that are first sent to a motor for the production of electricity, then to an active coal filter security system that can guarantee emissions that meet environmental protection legislation. The synthetic liquid fuel produced is sent to a storage tank and then to a generator to produce electricity. The system is powered by the energy produced by the process, producing 10% of the necessary power. The water produced by the catalytic molecular restructuring process is purified of its hydrocarbons to become, at the end, simply purified water. As we have seen, the Vudzeta materials and waste transformer, thanks to its virtuous cycle, produces energy and at the same time eliminates waste. The production cycle produces a small quantity of residual, mainly black sands, that can be easily disposed of without risk to the environment. The same goes for the inert byproducts, which can be used in cement produce and highway construction. So, from this mountain of waste products, we're left with just a small quantity of inert material that is easy to manage. Vudzeta means energy production, waste elimination, and environmental safety. The Vudzeta 100 plant is already an active reality, solving waste processing problems and producing energy whilst protecting citizens and the environment. A number of tailor-made systems have been introduced onto the market that utilize this huge potential in different scales and with different types of applications. The Vudzeta 100 that we can see can process approximately 20,000 metric tons per year of materials and waste, and are sized to obtain the maximum benefits also in smaller scales, maintaining the prerogatives of the larger sizes. Here, for example, we are at the Campone in Pavia, where the digested pig sludge is transformed into ecosynthetic fuel. The idea that natural resources are in rapid and progressive extinction does not need special scientific support. We all realize it daily, going to the filling station or receiving our electricity or heating bill. While in the natural world resources are falling, luckily those of waste recycling are on the increase. Vudzeta technology solves three problems with a single system: waste disposal, energy production, and the protection of man and his environment. Today sees the dawn of a new era, bringing with it clean energy for the benefit of everybody. Vudzeta technology is prepared to reach out to everywhere where waste is produced and disposed of, so that what was up until yesterday a problem and a cost, today, with Vudzeta, can become a source of real wealth, a large or small oil well for each one of us, to be safer, more independent and freer.